here. Fuck.
What?
No, I don't. I don't want to take the long way around to go to A, and I
I'll
don't
go.
want to cut
I'll,
through the middle and go to A.
I'll go to A with you.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll all go to A.
Well,
I
what do
don't.
they
I
got?
don't really
Freezing
want
and
to go
alloying and no carrier. Should I take the short way to A or long way to A?
Take the long way to A. 'Cause,
Yeah.
the newbies usually take the short way, and you're gonna run into one of them.
All right. On my way.
Unless you want to get B.
I don't know that I want. I don't
No,
have a way really to defend myself other than smoke. I don't have smoke.
Nubs, you got smoke.
Friesland
A.
and
Yeah.
Well, then you could sit right
Friesland.
there at the edge of A, and then when he spots whatever DD's in B, you're there to help him.
Okay. Do that.
And I'm right here too.
I can be your hero.
Near shift to me is right on the other side of B. Right where you would expect them to be.
And we're gonna run into the Atlanta and the Connecticut probably in the middle, and I'll just fucking nuke the Atlanta.
I'm located now.
Remember, 8-5 is Atlanta's radar.
Okay.
Spotted. DD is already coming.
Friesland or Lorraine, yeah. And Atlanta, Connecticut are in a
There's Meth Head.
I'm spotted. He's like right outside of B.
over here side of B.
Dude, I got 40k on that Iowa.
Or Mogami.
Surprise, it's Mogami. There's Atlanta on the edge.
Hit one. Or 9-2 away from me. I'm spotted. Friesland.
Freezing. Nubs.
Backing up. Anytime. Drop spot. Thank you.
Getting farmers fucking Friesland. Jesus Christ. Can you guys fucking push up to A? These fucking guys are just sitting there. These guys are farming me. I'm double permanent fire. I'm getting the fuck out of here. After I smack this
Malfi.
hawk.
Malfi. Friesland.
This freezing go fucking dark at 4 kilometers.
Friesland with his never-ending fucking smoke.
$5,100 on that Friesland.
Come on. Oh my god. You hit him again, but I gotta go get him.
You can't. He's up by all of his cruisers. You're gonna have to wait it out. I got 160,000 damage. Look how many ships are left.
Yes.
Jesus.
You might have to send yourself your own game.
Oh
Don't
yeah,
like it.
I got plenty of my own games.
Was that you with the hawk?
Oh yeah. I'm like, oh, and here's Senna fucking doing Senna shit.
Oh, Hawk.
Assist. That was an assist. There's the Connecticut and Atlanta. Okay.
Yeah, the Atlanta cruised all the way back over to the other side of A.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
guess.
yeah.
Oh,
How much?
there's the.
Listen, this game has to be a win, so play conservatively.
Okay.
Get C or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm on my way over there. I don't know how
No,
much health Loyang has. Anybody know?
I don't think he's been touched.
I don't think he's been touched. Don't fight him alone.
And the elephant over there's not playing.
Yeah, Elephant's not playing. York's throwing a ship right now, but he might hit some torps on the Connecticut.
Let me look.
Yep.
Okay. Laura's right here. You can help out with Atlanta.
Hey,
The
Lightning, why
fucking
are you taking a long way around? Come on.
I probably don't just sit still, but it's an option.
Nice.
Light him up.
Shit.
what?
Ran
Get
into
it.
the Loyang.
Lightning's there with you.
What? Oh my god. How the fuck does that happen?
What happened?
The lightning got death struck.
Oh, and you have both of them around you.
Yeah, the Friesland's almost dead. I mean, I just gotta touch him, but I don't know if I'd have to do that and try and escape from the Loyang. But the Friesland is
One more for a
closer
Kraken.
to me.
Get the
Oh, there he
elephant.
is.
No, Give me that.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Ah!
Oh, oh god.
How could he have circled back?
Oh my god. Good
What's
kill
over
there,
here?
though.
Elephant. Shoot, is he not playing?
No, no, he hasn't.
Oh my god. He just got to sneeze on him. What the fuck? Oh, that's all right. I think we're in good shape. We're okay.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Somebody was gonna snag it and gonna fucking get my Kraken.
There it goes.
Oh, sneaky.
Oh, he missed. He missed. He missed.
Watch, I'm gonna miss too. My shell's gotta get there before his. I don't even wanna look. I don't even wanna look.
You got it.
Ah, yes!
There you go.
Yeah, what's that? Fuck you, Zara. Fuck you, Mogami.
He's like, oh, good job.
Yeah,
Okay,
oh,
cool.
good job. I weakened him for you, Georgia.
There goes. Super
I
fast.
helped.
Get that little 6-piece. Oh. Bye, elephant.
Thanks for playing.
Not really.
Oh, now my cat's throwing up.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
You alright, buddy? You okay?
even your cat was like, dude, that was awesome.
Just appalled with the elephant.
Just throw up in one spot. Don't run around and throw up. Do you hear him?
Yeah, what the fuck?
A little bit.
He's coughing. He's alright. I got 243,000 damage.
Nice.
Would a Kraken. Maybe I should switch to HG.
It's not gonna matter. If you connect with him, he's dead.
How much health does he have? Oh, yeah.
A sliver.
Yeah. Damn, what a game. What a game.
It's been spotted.
Oh shit. Zara should have pretty good concealment. Probably right about 9s or 10s.
I wish my teammates were dead.
We are.
Not you guys.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Oh, he went into B.
Oh,
He's
I'm
trying.
going to the game.
He's still
Shit,
trying
no,
to win.
not shoot.
Spot, don't shoot. Oh, no, there he goes. He just let some shots fly. Oh.
Damn it. What is it?
I tried, coach. I was like, just spot him and don't shoot.
Holy medals.
Blast off.
Nice.
That's a damn good game, man. Holy cow. It's a good game in spite of you missing all those shots on